Apple is known for its innovative and advanced technology, and a large part of that success can be attributed to its supply chain management. As one of the most profitable companies in the world, Apple has a significant impact on the suppliers and component manufacturers that it works with. Recently, reports have surfaced that Apple plans to replace iPhone wireless communications chips made by Broadcom and Qualcomm and to make its own displays. This recent decision to move deeper into making key components for its products raises questions about the potential profits and risks for its own business. We will delve deeper into these questions and discuss the implications of Apple's supply chain bet in the rest of our video. As stated by CEO Tim Cook in 2009, Apple's goal is to own and control the primary technologies behind the products that we make. This strategy is driven by the need for premium products that can command premium prices. By taking control of key components like the silicon brains in the iPhone and iPad, as well as an increasing number of Macs, Apple is able to improve the performance of its products. A notable example of this is the M1, the first Apple-designed processor for the Mac and iPad, which was unveiled in 2020 and received high praise for its performance. Apple's technology strategy is not just about claiming a bigger share of the profits, but also about delivering the best possible products to its customers. While it is clear that the move is not primarily driven by profit, it is likely to have a significant impact on the company's bottom line. Both Broadcom and Qualcomm each look to Apple for around a fifth of their sales, presenting a juicy target for Apple. Furthermore, Apple's production methods, where it designs the product and controls the process, but subcontracts the actual assembly or manufacturing to others, means that the company's recent surge in sales and profits has come without the need to pour more capital into its operations. As a result, Apple's return on capital employed has jumped significantly in recent years, reaching around 60% in 2021, which is roughly double the ROAS of companies like Alphabet and Microsoft. As Apple increases its control of the supply chain, it may force changes in its supply base, leading to a focus on lower margin and more capital-intensive activities for suppliers. This concentration of the supply base can lead to risks for Apple's business, such as dependency on a few key suppliers, and a lack of flexibility in case of suppliers' disruptions or failures. Additionally, this concentration can also lead to issues such as violent protests or labor disputes at suppliers' factories, as seen in the case of Foxconn's giant iPhone plant in Zhengzhou, China. These risks must be taken into consideration as Apple continues to make strategic decisions about its supply chain and component production. In conclusion, Apple's plans to replace iPhone wireless communications chips and make its own displays are part of its technology strategy to own and control the primary technologies behind the products that we make, while Apple's push into component technologies is primarily driven by the need to improve its products and maintain its position as a premium brand. It also presents an opportunity for the company to increase its profits. However, this move also has its own set of risks and challenges that Apple must be aware of and work to mitigate. Ultimately, the success of Apple's supply chain bet will be determined by the company's ability to balance these competing priorities and make strategic decisions that will benefit both its products and its bottom line. It will be interesting to see how this strategy plays out in the future. Before you go, how do you think Apple's move to make its own components will affect the future of the technology industry? Will it lead to more innovation or stifle competition? Let us know in the comments below and join the conversation. Lastly, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative and thought-provoking content like this. This has been your Corporate Compass.